Alright, so in this video, we'll be looking at the PNY Elite X micro SD flash cards. So it's been a while since I last bought any of these because I lost a long list of songs and it does traumatize me. However, I decided to get myself a batch, pack of 3. I also get a little adapter which you can actually put into maybe a camera device, a laptop, you know. So this stood out to me based on the pricing and the size of the storage. So it's 64 gigabytes, right? It also comes with a recovery software included, but more than likely this is a trial, yeah, with subscription, and it's a trial. It also shows what it's compatible with. As I said before, your laptop, your camera. In terms of the adapter, has a warranty. How long does a warranty go for? I guess I'm gonna have to visit the website, but let's just test these and see if how quick I can actually move things to them, and let's test them out. I'm gonna try with my Android phone, so I'm gonna change the view over a bit, but let's pop them out.